Hello there.
I'm Poppin' PJ and I am here to show you how to take a simple sheet of paper and turn it into a beautiful, handmade, one-of-a-kind gift cash or card envelope. It is beautiful, easy to make, and it only costs pennies. But no one will be able to tell that.
Check it out. For this project, all you'll need is a sheet of paper and a couple of colors of spray paint. I'm choosing purple and silver. Shake, shake, shake. I'm not trying to create any specific pattern here. I'm simply spraying along the paper in random passes so the colors overlap a little and create an abstract look. That's what actually makes it look so unique. Once one side dries, flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. I love how the spray paint changes the feel of the paper. It doesn't feel like ordinary paper anymore. Okay, now for the fun part. You will begin by taking two corners of the paper and bringing them together. You want them to be even and flush, and then you'll smooth down the edges. You will now take this top corner here and bring it over to meet the two folds that you just made. And you want to have them be flush to one another. And then you smooth down the edge. This is what we have so far. It is looking like an envelope. Next, you will flip your paper over and you're going to make a crease right where that little triangular piece that opens there. You're going to make the crease right at that level. And again, you will smooth down the edge. We are almost done with this envelope. You will now fold the remaining piece over like so, making a crease right at that edge. And then we will fold that little piece of overhang again over the edge and make a crease. I make a crease over the edge, but then I open it up and bring the crease a little bit more inside because I want to make it easy when I go to tuck this little flap, as you see here. And now we have a beautiful gift card or gift cash envelope. You really don't have to do anything else but put your cash or gift card in there. But I want to embellish mine. I had some purple bead floral pieces that were in my floral bucket. Holding them up to the envelope to see where I need to cut. I will be giving my friend's daughter $50. We will open our envelope and also open that triangular portion. That is where your money is going to go. And the money is a little bit longer than the envelope, so we're going to adjust it. I am just going to take the 50 and fold it over and then make a little crease to shorten the $50 bill. I am going to make a card from a birthday card. So as you can see, this was a birthday card, so I'm going to cut that portion of the card off. And I think these colors will be beautiful with the envelope I just made. I'm going to trim the bottom a little bit again so that it will insert inside the envelope with the money. It says for you. I'm going to fold it over in half, press down the crease, get my pen, and write something nice. Sometimes giving cash or a gift card just feels so impersonal, right? Well, when you make the envelope for the cash or gift card, then that just changes things. It becomes very personal, very creative, one of a kind. No one else is going to have this envelope. If you don't want a card, just put the cash in like so, but I'm choosing to put the card, as you can see here, and you can see that the 50 is showing. I'm going to slide it right into our beautiful one-of-a-kind envelope. Close it up. To me, this handmade envelope looks like it came from an expensive boutique. And it only costs pennies to make. Now to add my floral embellishments to make it even more special. Making one-of-a-kind gifts for other people and for myself makes me very happy. Now to add the stick from my backyard that I spray painted silver. This one-of-a-kind envelope is poppin'. I'm Poppin' PJ, and I am all about beautiful, budget-friendly crafts and home decor. I think you should give this budget-friendly craft a try. People will be impressed.